Did you know scientists have discovered an astonishing and completely natural way to achieve perfect 20/20 vision? It doesn't matter if you're farsighted or nearsighted, or if you have glaucoma, cataracts, or macular degeneration. This breakthrough is 100% natural, doesn't require surgery or a single doctor visit, and is very inexpensive. You'll suddenly see the world with a clarity and crispness you've never experienced before. There are many types of vision problems: glaucoma, cataracts, blurred or distorted vision, floaters, diabetic retinopathy, and age-related macular degeneration. Consequently, many people's vision declines rapidly after age 50. Those with less than 20/20 vision spend thousands of dollars in doctor visits, frames, and contact lenses. LASIK surgery is not without its risks. And it's expensive. Picture yourself struggling to read a newspaper, book, text on your computer or phone, or a set of instructions, and missing out on the simple joys of life like seeing your grandchildren's smiles, school play, or soccer goal. But the biggest worry for many with declining vision is becoming dependent on others or family members just to function day to day. A solution has emerged that can help people achieve 20/20 vision without surgery or doctor visits. The discovery began with research done by Shinya Yamanaka, MD, PhD, a Japanese scientist, which led to his receiving the 2007 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Further research was done at the Harvard Stem Cell Institute, Vanderbilt University, the University of Utah, and the National Health Services in the UK. The solution utilizes adult stem cells which are already in the body to repair vision at the cellular level. This solution was tested successfully on 8,400 volunteers in 14 independent labs in 4 countries, and then released to the public. So far, over 110,000 people worldwide have already applied this solution and have restored their vision. Discover the science behind this revolutionary solution and how it has helped others restore their vision. Click on the link in the description below, where we reveal the details of the research and the solution. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and that will encourage us to make more videos on this topic. To view other videos like this that focus on typical health challenges seniors experience and possible remedies, click subscribe. To let us know your most pressing question about the topic of today's video, use the comment section below. We'll likely produce a video answering your question or post an article on our blog. The link is in the description.